For this video, I want to take you on a virtual tour of the Marietta Fire Museum located in Marietta, Georgia. If you're new to this channel, I just want to say welcome, and you probably don't realize just how much I love vintage trucks and classic cars. And that's a big focus of my YouTube channel. I really love vintage tractor trailers. I was once a over-the-road tractor trailer driver, and I'm going to film as many as I can. They have an incredible collection here. One of their more rare pieces is a Silsby steamer, which is a horse-drawn steam-powered pumper that the City of Marietta purchased in 1879 and used all the way up to 1921. So that's a long career for this particular fire truck. They also have the fire engine that replaced the Silsby steamer, a 1921 American LaFrance pumper. When they purchased it, it was designated as engine number 2, and it was the very first motorized fire truck in all of North Georgia. The next truck that I'll point out is the 1929 Seagrave pumper, which was designated as engine number 1 and used all the way up to 1959, another long career for this fire engine. In 1949, the Marietta Fire Department purchased a perch ladder truck. You'll see that really long one in the middle of the top floor. It's one of the highest reaching ladders in all of North Georgia, even to this day, even though they purchased that back in 1949. It was designated ladder number 1, and it was in service from 1949 all the way up to 1984, so another long career. And they've got quite a few classic cars here as well. You'll probably notice the 1952 Chevy panel truck, and they also had a Ford Falcon that served the fire chief. Lots of neat vintage vehicles here. I'm barely scratching the surface in this 5-minute video. For those that are wondering about the admission price, well, the admission is free, and the museum is open Monday through Fridays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The other kind of neat thing about this particular museum is it's actually built into the side of an active firehouse, which is kind of rare. I mean, most of the fire museums that I've been to are usually in a vintage building and just isolated from a real firehouse, but there are brand new fire trucks sitting next door, and they even have a glass window where you can actually look into the active firehouse. So that's another unique feature of this particular museum that I've never seen anywhere else. I really had a great time at this particular museum. What's neat about the city of Marietta is there's a whole bunch of, I think, 8 different museums that are all within walking distance of here. Like there's a Gone with the Wind museum and a history museum besides the fire museum. So there's a bunch of things you can do here, just if you're big into history like I am. There's also quite a few really good restaurants nearby. For my bottom line, I'm going to give this place a recommendation. I've been to several fire museums now, and this is the largest one I've ever seen. They've got an amazing collection of fire engines, so if you're into vintage trucks like I am, you're going to love the place. I was actually quite surprised by the free admission because I've paid to get into much smaller fire museums in the past, so to be offering such an impressive museum for free is just remarkable. Thanks for watching this episode of The Adventure Schmuck. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See everyone next week.